Welcome back to this YouTube channel where we're learning about CFX. So guys, on today's episode we're going to be talking on the Btcusd. From the monthly time frame, you can currently see that the Btcusd is still very bullish. It's still very bullish. So guys, what are we expecting next? I'm going to move down to the weekly time frame. To see the next big move on BTC. So guys, as you can see, BTC reacting on this level here on the weekly time frame. So what are we expecting is, after a double bottom is formed and the neckline is taken out, we're expecting the market to come back to the neckline to retest and start moving in the direction of the market. But at this point here, two things can happen. Either the market continue moving to the upside, or the market break below this level here and continue going to the downside. But based on what we are seeing currently on the BTC market, you can currently see that the BTC market, the buyers are much more higher than the sellers. And we have seen from time past that there's a lot of rejection from this level here to the upside, signifying that the buyers are still much more higher than the sellers. So we're going to move down to the daily time frame. And one thing I will have to also say concerning this BTC market is patient. Remember, this is the crypto market. Is patient. Don't just because the market is rejecting and you just start taking your buy orders. No, just wait for the market to fulfill its analysis, fulfill its technical analysis, because the market, there's what we call the technical analysis. Wait for the market to fulfill those technical analysis before you start buying. You hear me? So you not take a trade that is not yet ready to move and start hitting a lot of sell. This game is patient. So from this range in here that we'll be seeing from the daily time frame, we can see that every time the market gets to this level here, it goes down. Same thing happened here. And also anytime the market gets to this level here, it goes up. Same thing happens here, same thing happened here. So looking at this, the recent one that happened currently, we saw that when the market got to that same level, the market had to pull to the downside. But the significant thing happened on this current movement to the upside. We can see that the market, and before I talk about that, I'm going to let me bring you guys attention to this key level here. You can see in time past, right, anytime the market gets to this level, it rejects. Same thing happened here, same thing happened here, and same thing happened here after the market now broke above it and started buying to the upside. So now the market is coming to that same level, which I will tell you guys to be patient, to wait for the market to get to this level before you start buying to the upside. Not just because the market gets to that level and you start buying to the upside. Wait to see your entry criteria before you start buying the market to the upside. It's very important. And this level here is a key level because you can see in the past the market reacted a lot at that same level. So that's why I'm going to tell you guys to wait for the market to get to that level before you start buying to the upside. So I'm going to stop on the daily time frame for the Btcusd because the 4 hours time frame is a little bit messy and the daily time frame is just straightforward. So wait for the market to get here and you start, and when the market gets to this level, wait for the, and also before I talk about that, you can also observe this level that the market is also rejecting from there, rejecting from there. So what are you going to do? Is two things. Either you wait for this daily candle to close bullish before you start going to your 4 hours or 1 hour or 15 minutes to look for your entry, right? So wait for the, that's the other way. If the market do not break below this level here that the market is currently reacting on, wait for the market to close the daily candle to close bullish before you start going to your 4 hours or 1 hour or 15 minutes to start, or your entry time frame for it to take your position to the upside. But my major level that I'm expecting the market to get to is this green bar here, this one here. That's what I'm expecting the market to get to. So when the market gets here, two things: wait for the market to give you a reversal pattern and start buying to the upside, or the other side, at that point market might break below the level and start selling to the downside anyways. But because this is a ranging market, so you need to bring any single thing under consideration. Any little details you bring under consideration, because this is a ranging market. So guys, I'm going to urge you guys to wait for the market to get here. So one of the criteria to start buying for me is to wait for the bullish candle to close, or if this candle to close like this today, that means what are we going to be expecting? What's going to form here is a morning star, definitely. So when that morning star form here, that means after this candle form, wait for another day candle to close. That will be after Sunday. A bullish candle is going to close, then there's a morning star there, so that we're going to be expecting more buys to the upside. But then at that moment, you're going to go to your lower time frame and look for your entry criteria and start buying the market to the upside. But if the market did not close like this, or we not see that bullish candle, that means it's going to definitely be a bearish candle. Wait for the market to come to this level before you start buying to the upside. So guys, that's all I have for you guys this coming week. And also, if you can see that at this level here lies a key level, a trend line, and also a Fibonacci retracement. That is to say, is a key level. That's a good key level, and that is the key level that banks buy from. All those big banks, all those hedge funds, that's where they buy from. They don't buy from all these your 4 hours, 1 hour. They buy from those key levels where you see at that level there's a key level, there's a trend line, there's a fib retracement. That level is a key level. So that's all I have for you guys this coming week. Make sure you trade safe and stay safe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I love you guys. Trade safe and stay safe. Peace out.